hands can look clean,
Welcome to Good
but
Habits
they
with
might
Jen.
have germs hiding on them. Yuck! So I turn on the tap, get my hands wet, and squirt some soap. Then I scrub, scrub, scrub. Between my fingers, under my nails, even the backs of my hands. And then I sing my clean hands song to make it fun.
Washy, washy, scrub, scrub, scrub. Goodbye germs, no more grub. That's about 20 seconds, just the right amount of time. Then I rinse, shake, 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 and dry with the towel all clean.
Washing my hands keeps me healthy and strong. So remember, friends, always wash your hands before you eat. Wash your hands after you go potty. And wash your hands after playtime, too. Clean hands, happy heart. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to BSA EduTube for more Good Habits episodes with me. See you soon!